If you want to take your book folding to the next level, let me show you a really fun way to do edging. So you're going to take the top and the bottom, and you're going to have it meet in the middle to form a triangle. Then for the next step, you're going to go to the next page, and where this crease is in the middle, where these two folds meet, you're going to go ahead and cut the page in half. And then, if you notice, I'm just using a sock that's filled with rice as my weight. Very easy to do. So you're going to take the top and the bottom again, fold and meet in the middle. And then do the same, repeat the same thing. Then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. This time though, we're going to make 3 cuts. Where the seam is here, where the seam is here, and where the seam is here. This is just such a fun and easy way to just add that little extra oomph to your book folding. And I love that you don't even have to really do any measuring besides just using the folds. And our last cut right here. So we're going to take the top and bottom, meet in the middle to form that triangle there. Then one here. One here. And finally one here. So when you put this all together, it's going to look like this. Now, I don't like being able to see all these seams right here. So what you're going to do is take the folds that you already did and fold them backwards. But you've already creased it, so this is a really easy way to just fold them in reverse and just make your work look a little bit neater. Here, and then you'll do it on the other side of the book at the end as well, so you'll have like a nice little frame for your book fold. Let me show you what that's going to look like. So look at that beautiful scalloped design you have. How beautiful is that? And then you'll go ahead and do the same steps at the end of your book. So really quickly. So now I'm just doing it at the other end to frame my book folding, top and bottom. Form your triangle. Then you're going to take where that middle seam is and cut. Fold your top and bottom to form another triangle. Once you do this a few times, it's really not difficult at all. Then bring that middle one back so that you can do that final cut. So right here, and right there. Look how quickly this comes together. While I'm doing this, it'd be a great time to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. If you wouldn't mind commenting below on on what you use this edging on. Or do you have a different form of an edge that you use? That'd be really nice to share. Okay, so we just have one last step. We're going to go ahead and do this in reverse, so it looks nice and neat. So all your seams are facing away. That goes here. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then our final one to reverse. So now we have this really pretty edging here, and your really pretty edging here. Let me just show you a quick, easy fold while we're at it. I'm going to take one, about 10 pages, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm just going to take them and curve them around. I'm just doing a quick fold just so that you can see how pretty this edging is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm taking 10 pages and then just rolling them. And they will, once you have enough tension of doing this enough times, they will just hold in place on their own. So this is just a really fun folding technique that you can really do so many different things with. My favorite thing to do with this fold once I complete this is use it to hold either mail or postcards or photographs. You can also use it to hold your rings if you want to use it for your jewelry. Really fun and simple. Like that. And like so. So without this edging, this would have been kind of blah, but this really brings it up to the next level by having this really beautiful edging right here. Now, you can display this laying down and then having your photographs or whatever, or your jewelry right here. Or you could stand this up and use it as a vase and put some silk flowers in this. So both ways are beautiful, but really what I wanted to show you was this beautiful edging that you can use on your book folding. So enjoy.